Hi, good morning. Alex here with live commentary, public. Today, profits absolutely amazing. This is every single day. So, today we are celebrating several milestones in the markets. In the morning, you had the inflation numbers. Well, everyone knew what the inflation numbers they were coming. I already referred to this matter before they were made public. You have here on the screen Twilio at 208. Yesterday, you had these American fraudsters, imagine, paying $260. You have it here live on the tape. This is from yesterday, after hours, okay? $260 for Twilio when I downgrade this to junk at $450. Imagine, okay? And I've been here warning people about all this stuff, PayPal, Roku, all of them, they crashed, my friends. And, you have these 360 million fraudsters still in the markets believing that stocks are going to rally to multi-year highs. The only thing where you can make money is by following my instructions. They are extremely explicit, simple. You press a button and you become a multi-millionaire, investing in companies like Deere that today they touched again new all-time highs. That is very simple because I already made this public. I have been very explicit throughout the years, strong buy since $48. Having said this, obviously, if you are interested to learn about, for example, the upside on Deere, what the company is going to report and so on, we have it in the service. So you have here today the Americans now selling en masse Twilio at 208. So my friends, this history repeats itself every single day. So I'm not commenting on Twilio today. I'm just showing you the numbers because I commented on Twilio yesterday talking about the future. So I always refer to the future. Do you understand? So why these people, they were buying Twilio? Because Twilio reported a good quarter, but I already knew that Twilio reported a good quarter because I informed people why Twilio was going to report a good quarter. It is due to fraud, and I made this public, okay? So Twilio, it went from, or rallied from $173 to $260 based on fraudulent numbers. So the reason you have Twilio at 208 is because everyone knew that Twilio reported fraudulent numbers. Those are fake numbers. They are not real. Do you understand? So those that they have the money, the funds, that they really make the calls, they know what is going to happen, what to do when all these 360 million fraudsters are going back into the markets, buying on the frenzy. You are dead, my friends. You are dead because you have to follow the instructions. It is clear. Having said this, other milestone is today the fact that Royal Caribbean reached $90. Okay, this is absolutely amazing. It's tremendous, historic. Okay, no one is talking about this, and this is the company that Morgan Stanley downgraded. And McLaren is sending me an email. Morgan Stanley downgraded to sell precisely the same analyst that he told you about selling a company called Avis that we recommended to buy on the Autonomous blog, continuous articles, seeing shares crossing well above $500. Morgan Stanley downgraded Avis, for your knowledge, at $80. You understand? $80, okay? Did you know what happened to all these people that they sold short Avis? They lost everything, okay? And then what I did, it was in fact to announce on Twitter that I was selling Avis, downgrading the stock, recommending to sell short, and meanwhile the stock then collapsed after all the Americans, they capitulated. But that is, my friends, history. It has been always the same. So you have to do precisely the opposite of all of them. So call them if they are buying, Twilio, and they are on the forums, you know, on these old scams, Motley Fool, Seeking Alphas, Yahoo Finance. You sell short all of them. If they are capitulating, if they are, you know, very upset, you know, with losses and complaining and asking for the CEO to leave, what you are doing then is to cover the short positions and you are buying the stock. Do you understand? It works all the time. It has been working since 1989. I never missed one fucking single call. You can go through 65,000 case studies. So do the opposite of these 360 million fraudsters, because, my friends, go watch the case studies recorded always live on the tape. 2 days ago, I was here, for example, recommending to sell Digital World, $95. Because, my friends, the Americans, they are coming back, you know, they are coming back, these fraudsters. They believe in their markets, in their economy, in their society. They are dead. They have been always dead. They lose money every single day. And you have here the proof live on the tape, all right? So Twilio, it is a neutral rating. And if you wish to, and by the way, I already explained all this stuff. And the earnings report, it was 100% a fraud, okay? Having said this, congratulations to those that they purchased shares of Royal Caribbean. Today, $90, I repeat, $90, my friends. It's by far more amazing, for example, than to see Pelacton at $50, okay? Pelacton, by the way, the buyout, you already have the news, and today you have $120 in PayPal, and people, you know, they continue discussing PayPal as something extraordinary that they don't comprehend where it is coming from, you know, all this stuff, okay? So be very... be very careful with all these fraudsters in the United States, because every single day they publish news to deceive you with one clear, explicit objective: to deceive you, to trigger massive losses into your account. So do not listen to them. If you have to do something, do precise the opposite, because you can sit here. You know, I go through hundreds of different companies and it works all the time. Okay, give me an example where it didn't work. Give me one. Just give me fucking one, all right? So do you know what is the price today of Excel Fleet, where all these 100% of analysts, they had strong buy ratings and buy ratings, CNBC? Do you know the price of Excel Fleet, the stock that I named the best-selling short opportunity since December 2020? It is $1.85. Did you expect some kind of miracle, or you know? I'm just asking. You know, if they started Excel Fleet with sell ratings that they don't have, or strong sell ratings also they don't have, or junk ratings, we would have started with a strong buy. But all of them, they started with strong buy ratings in Excel Fleet, my friends. A company that is American, a complete scam, all right? Pretty much like I explained here, the case of Virgin Galactic, or the case of, even worse, the case of Smile Director Club. These are all scams. Do you understand? All scams. Proven. I, you know, opened the documents, explain all this stuff. It is amazing. People, they saw it, okay? The fraud on Twilio, there, the accounting fraud, okay? So this is the reason why you have 208 today. It is not $280. It is not $300. It could not. First, they have to pay for the fraud. Then, later on in the future, the stock might rally. But first, they have to pay for the fraud. So the short sellers, they win all the time, fighting against the fraud. So sell short all these fucking million Americans, because that is what you have to do. And by the way, I'm going to terminate by saying this. Biden has an historic opportunity to completely annihilate all these, the rest of the population, these 98% of stupid Americans. How? Very simple. Take down Digital World. So we are already out. You can take down Digital World and you can make history. Biden, you can make history. Precisely by taking down 98% of the stupid American people, Take down digital world. This is a useless company. It's not doing anything there, my friend. You understand? So take down. We are out. Okay? Cash in the bank, as I told you, $95. And also I was here at 157. So, all right? So I leave you here with the tremendous Twilio earnings fraudulent report. And obviously today you can visit all these forums, United States, Reddit, and they are celebrating profits, my friends, but they don't have any. They never had any, my friends. They don't have anything. They just, it's all an illusion. They are fraudsters on forums, my friends. The bots. The bots are there. You don't comprehend. The bots is the bots. All right? And there was something else that I was, okay, I already mentioned Deere. And it is enough. It is enough for the day, my friends. There are more, but it is enough. It is enough. I was going to say other thing. Be aware with Morgan Stanley, just to finalize, because Morgan Stanley, you don't know, but Morgan Stanley is deceiving you in other stock, and you are going to see. All right? So I have plenty of case studies to publish, many to come, okay? And Morgan Stanley is again going to cause you great losses. So be aware, my friend. Be aware, because the worst has not come yet. Thank you.